Hello there, I'm Ibiko Lorette and I'll be giving a demo video on my operations and customer communication system Airtable base. So delving straight, Airtable base is comprised of four tables. We have the product table, the inventory table, the order table, and the supplier table. Now each of these tables encompass data particular to that specific table. So in the product table, you're going to find data particular to the product, the inventory particular to the inventory, like the stock levels, the order particular to each order, the suppliers particular to the suppliers, like the contact info and whatnot. So for the product, we actually we grouped it by category. This is actually to enable easy access. For example, by looking at this, if I want to access a product in the appliance category, I don't have to stress myself to manually scroll down. I can just click the category and open it right here, and I can see, oh, that's the microwave oven I'm looking for. And uh, under this, we have seven categories, and we have the product ID field, we have the order field, we have the product name, we have the image, so the customers and we ourselves, we can see, we the owners and runners of the business, we can see the image of the product we have currently at hand. We have the description, we have the category, we have the price, and we have the supplier's info. Now, what does this mean? This means that the suppliers table is actually linked to the product table, because this is an Airtable base, and there has to be this correlation that if something is going on in this table, it has to be automatically reflected in another one, because these tables aren't exactly independent of each other. They're actually sort of interdependent, so they have to be this link between each and every one to ensure that everything is working rightly. So we also have another view. We have a gallery view, and the beauty of this gallery view is it gives this website view. Like if you go to websites like Jumia, you would see this is actually how the products reflect. So it really helps them. It gives this aesthetic feel, and it's really easy to see every data you need. You can see the product's picture easily. You can see the product ID, the product name, the category, the description, the price. So it's really you get, for example, now in the grid view, you can exactly see the full picture of the products, but on this gallery view, you can see the complete picture of the products. So that's the beauty of that. Then delving straight to the inventory, we have the product ID, we have the reserved, we have the stock level and the inventory level. Now that will make you wonder, how was the inventory level gotten? The inventory level was gotten from a formula that was run such that if the stock level is 10 and below, it's critical. If the stock level is 25 and below, it's low. If the stock level is 50 and below, it's medium. And if the stock level is greater than 50, it is high. Now, this was also sorted by the stock level, such that those inventory levels, the inventory level of those products that are critical and low, would reflect first. Now, this will really help such that once you open the inventory table, you will be able to see the products that require immediate attention. Now, to go further, this was also we added a color filter to this, such that for the critical, you see the color immediately, it's reflecting red, and for the low, you see the next color. It's reflecting sort of like an orange, and this really helps in, basically, while we're doing this, this really helps to get attention, to focus attention, to garner attention to the inventory levels that require utmost and immediate attention. Then we have the orders, and this order, it encompasses everything particular to the order ID, the product name, the quantity, the price, and the order value. How was the order value gotten? A product of the quantity and the price data. And this really helps to prevent cases of inaccuracy due to manually as a result of manually imputing this order value data. Then delving straight to the last one, the suppliers. This encompasses data, every data you need on the suppliers. We have the supplier name, the category, the product ID, that's the ID of the product that they supply, the product names they're supplying, their email, their contact number, their address to, and their postal. So everything is done to ensure the smooth running, the sync, and the proper operation and flow of this operations and customer communications system Airtable base. Thank you.